Well, Charger episode 2. Just got the motor out. I did strip the car a little bit down. All the interior is mostly gone. I'm gonna disconnect the tranny by myself. I got the engine out by myself too. The guy who was supposed to help me got sick today, so I have to do everything by myself. So I'm gonna take the tranny out, and maybe then I can move it. It was a little bit of a challenge to do it, but it's done. And the car, as you can see, gonna need a lot more work than I originally thought. It's gonna be a lot of welding. It's all clogged up there. The water wasn't draining. I know there's a hole here underneath there someplace. The interior is stripped already. The next step is gonna be I'll probably take all the wiring out here, brake master, blower motor, clean it up so it's almost nothing here, wiper motors, and then I'll probably gonna take the windshield out and finish with the interior, take the dashboard out. And then the only thing is going to be left is the doors, and then I can basically start working on it. Yeah, I'm going to take the fenders off, away junk. I have another 73. I'm going to take the front end off of it. Probably take the fenders and the hood from there. Haven't decided on the bumpers yet. I have a 71. I might want to go with that, and I really want to put the bumpers close as I can over here so the car looks better. I think that rubber, the one that comes with the car, looks ugly. And then we're gonna start sandblasting, and once the strip down is complete, gonna start sandblasting and start welding. I'll probably do another video at that moment. For now, that's probably gonna be it a little bit. It's probably gonna take about 1,000 hours to fix this car completely. Probably take me a good year, maybe more. Okay, that's it for now. Just finished taking the upper cowl off this car so I can fix the firewall. You can see all the damage on the firewall. I would love to replace it, but there is no parts available. I mean, I stripped the car pretty much down now. Now you can see all the damage. There's a couple spots on the roof here. Here I'm gonna change the windows like on a parts car. Gotta fix the quarter here. Looks like the dog leg. And rear floors probably. This section is just surface rust. That one has got a hole in it. I would have to repair it. And I know that rear section is not that great. But I have another parts car, which is, I'm gonna use some parts from it. Here's my 18 gauge metal. Gonna make some pieces for it. And here's the upper cowl. It looks rusted. I'm gonna have to sandblast it and see how good the metal is. I can fix it, hopefully. There's just the corners here, over here, and there's some holes through here and the corner there. Otherwise, the metal feels pretty solid, but I would sandblast it and see how that is. If anybody knows where I can get new parts for 73, just put it in the comments. I try AMD, Summit, nobody's got it. 1970, no problem. 73, not much. Gotta fix the roof here. Here is some holes over there, but that's easy stuff. I still gotta pull the rear window out and a couple little things. Also looking for a trunk. As you can see, this one is pretty much shot. Although my parts car also shot. The back is not too bad. The trunk is solid. A little work on that quarter. Trunk gutter here. And on the back here and there. But the trunk floors and everything is good. Originally, I thought I would sandblast it first and then see what's up, but once I took it apart, I can see where the rust is, so I'll fix that and then sandblast whatever is left, I guess. I might find some more after sandblasting, maybe around the quarter here. Car is pretty much straight, but it's set for God knows how long. As you can tell, gonna be a lot of work. Here's my parts car. I'm gonna use those fenders, probably this door, even though that I have to do some repairs on it. And I need those quarter windows set up so I can put it in that car. I probably have to change the glass. I'm just looking at it, because the other door is not like that. This quarter is gone, so I can't even take the dogleg parts. But the front cowl over here looked better than that one. I gotta get it out and see if I can use any pieces from the firewall and stuff. The trunk is pretty much shot over here too. A little better than the one I got on the car, but still not that good. I mean, the frame is all rotted out underneath there. But that's what we're up to right now. Let me flip this over. I mean, the metal feels pretty solid. I'm gonna try to repair it, I guess. The only issues I'm gonna have is around here and the corners. Okay. Back to work.